video exposes how to read false color in any camera of your choice. This is a crucial part in filmmaking, and once you master it, you have mastered 80% of cinematographic techniques. It doesn't matter if you are using Canon R50V or Sony FX30, the guide is the standard colors for false color in all shots. I'll start with the light pink or light gray. The light pink or light gray color in the false color is showing you that you have a correct skin exposure. So ideally, you will want your skin to have the light pink or light gray casted on it, or the green, which signifies slightly underexposed skin. Again, this is dependent on the type of shot you are aiming to achieve. Not all shots require high exposure, and not all shots require low exposure. The yellow is showing you that you are slightly overexposed at that particular place or point or area where you have yellow colors. The red is showing you that you have clipping highlights, meaning you can't recover any details from that particular footage of that particular area. You have to reduce your exposure. The blue or purple is showing you that you are underexposed or too dark at that particular area or areas where you have blue and purple color.